Hello and welcome to day 54 of my daily option selling channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how I lost over 6,000 rupees in a single day using Nifty options. And I will show you the exact strikes I traded and the strategy I used and the hedges I took. So yeah, let's begin. So first of all, today's market, well, it opened flat, and as soon as it opened flat, the market began a downturn and it started falling, falling and falling. It was mostly because of a few stocks, and those were like Axis and HDFC and Reliance for a bit in the starting. And that is because the Reliance has its results today, HDFC has its results tomorrow, and Axis had its results yesterday. So the market fell because of that. So now what happened is the market fell, the put options, spiked up, premiums were like 100% up. So the thing is, I was actually in profit till about 10 a.m. Once this candle came in, this 10:15 candle, this option 25,100, as you can see, it shot up more than 30%. It was fine until when it was like over here. It was fine until here, but when it shot up like this, that is when I started losing a lot of money, and that's when my adjustment was triggered, and I took an adjustment and I recovered up mostly all my losses from that. So yeah, so the strikes I traded. So first of all, let me tell you the strategy I used. I used a non-directional intraday option selling strategy, which is called a straddle. I used it with along with some hedges. So my first trade was of 25,100. So this was my first straddle, and then my second straddle was of 24,950, which is over here. So these were my two straddles today, and my hedges. So my first hedge was of 24,850, which is over here. So this was my first hedge, and my second hedge was of 25,350, which is over here. So I hope you get my strikes that I took. So let me mark it clearly. This was the first trade, this was the second trade, this was a hedge, and this was also a hedge. So yeah, these were the strikes I traded, and now let's move to the sell price analysis. It opened at about 254. Sorry, it opened at about 258.77, and it also made a high of 258.77, and it was fine until like this 10 a.m. and but at 10:15, this in like 5-6 minutes, the price shot up from about 258 to all the way 283 and made a high of 285.3. Yes, the price did fall. I mean, it was supposed to fall. The price does fall somehow either way. But thing was, in this one candle, a lot of option sellers must have gotten their SL hit. So yeah, even I got my SL hit, and I adjusted to a different position to recover that money. Now this premium fall, this premium is still somewhat high from the usual premium 249. It's already 3 p.m. So 249 is a bit high premium on the higher side. So the market is expecting some movement in the future, like you can see the market gapping up or gapping down, and it can also be because it's the weekend and people don't really like to take risk overnight. So yeah, that is that. And now my two positions for today. So the first trade, so this was my first trade. So as you can see, I used a straddle of 25,100, and this was my second trade. It was a straddle of 24,950, and yeah, so this was also my total PNL. I lost about 6,700 approx. I entered at about 9:30 and exited at 12:10. Now I have also updated the Excel sheet, so here you go. So minus 6,700, that is minus, sorry, this should be minus 38%. I entered at 926, or you can count that as 930. Exited at 12:10. I did take adjustment today. My total PNL is now 3,81,000, and this is my PNL graph. So the 5-day winning streak is broken today. But anyways, it was a good week. I made some money. And the Telegram channel you can join. I don't give tips or anything today. I did not give any opinions because I didn't have anything to say about the market today. I think every option seller knew what to do because the market was just falling and the premiums were spiking. So yeah, that is basically all. And if you like the video, then please let me know, and I'll see you guys on Monday. Goodbye.